And this is a breaking update coming in on the Delhi Ashram of Horrors. CBI today informed the Delhi High Court that international blue corner notice has now been issued against Baba Virendra Dikshit in an alleged illegal confinement of women at an ashram in Delhi's Rohini area. The CBI currently is probing alleged sexual exploitation and confinement of more than 100 women and minor girls who were locked up behind metal doors in animal-like conditions inside a fortress-like ashram which was situated in Rohini by Virendra Dikshit and his organization that was called Adhyatmik Vishwa Vidyalay. The CBI there informing the Delhi High Court today that an international blue corner notice has been issued against this Baba who allegedly illegally confined women at his ashram in Delhi's Rohini area. The CBI, remember, is currently probing the alleged sexual exploitation and confinement of more than 100 women as well as minor girls who were locked up inside metal doors in animal-like conditions inside an ashram that was situated in Rohini, and his organization was called Adhyatmik Vishwa Vidyalay. Remember, a blue corner notice is an inquiry notice and it's issued to locate, identify or obtain information on a person of interest in a criminal investigation. So Milan Sharma is in fact getting us the latest here. Milan, a blue corner notice has now been issued by the CBI, and the CBI has informed the Delhi High Court that this notice has been issued against Virendra Dikshit. What does this mean now for Baba Virendra Dikshit now?
Well, absolutely. The Delhi High Court had summoned Virendra Dikshit, this self-styled godman who has been absconding for really long. This was after the confinement of many minor girls inside the ashram had taken place. In fact, a lot of them had complained of sexual harassment and the kind of animal-like condition that these women were living, inside. And therefore, the Delhi High Court had issued several summons in the past as well. And today, a blue corner notice has been issued for the lookout of Virendra Dikshit. Remember that the last time the Central Bureau of Investigation had informed that Virendra Dikshit happens to be or appears to be not in the Indian territory, and they had traced his origins to Nepal. However, they have not been able to confirm that, and now the High Court there giving a blue corner notice for a person or criminals of who have absconded from the country, and certainly there the Delhi High Court summons, after which the CBI now has issued this particular notice for lookout for Virendra Dikshit there. Back to you.
So, which essentially means the CBI has absolutely failed to ascertain this man's whereabouts, Milan. Thereby, they have now informed the Delhi High Court that an international blue corner notice has now been issued against this man who perhaps is not in the country altogether, Milan. But if we speak about the entire investigation, if you could fill us in on where does the investigation stand?
Well, absolutely. The last time that the CBI was asked by the Delhi High Court, the investigation was moving at a very slow pace, and they were not able to, decipher where exactly the self-styled godman Virendra Dikshit is. Currently, in their investigation, CBI had not revealed much, simply saying that his origins have been traced to somewhere in Nepal, and to that also, there wasn't any, exact information that the CBI could give at that point. However, a lot of summons being issued by the Delhi High Court. There also a suo motu, notice of the fact that Virendra Dikshit should be brought back to India and should be brought in front of the court there on many of these FIRs that have been filed by various women. 4 such ashrams within Delhi, 18 such ashrams across the country there, where women have alleged sexual harassment and animal-like condition, confinement of minor girls as well, and serious rape and molestation charges against Virendra Dikshit. Therefore, the CBI, the investigation had been given to the CBI by the Delhi police, and at this point of time, the latest that we know is that a blue corner notice has been issued to look out for this man who's currently absconding.
All right, Milan Sharma, many thanks for joining in and getting us those updates. We'll continue taking updates from you. For now, the CBI informing the Delhi High Court that they have now issued a blue corner notice, an international blue corner notice against this man who continues to remain absconding despite several calls being made. In fact, despite several lookout notices being issued against this man. Milan, we'll leave it at that. Many thanks for joining in.